Presiden ke National People's Party NPP Meghalaya uba Presiden Tensong haka singi thok diang ula pun benaya ke kerteng jong ki arngut ki kynthei ban pyniakhun haka Election MP Lok Sabha arjarar pusau. Kata ka Dr. Amprin Lingdo na Shillong bat ka Agatha Sangma Natura Parliamentary Constituency. Uba Preston ulaong bakane ke jing purbena kadai hadian bakalayo ya ke jing menjor now National President jong kaseng NPP ukonrat ke Sangma ubadairu umentri rangba ke jela. Na kaliang uba Preston ula penpau ke jing scam bagi ne ki kertong kin yo ya ke jing jom. Namar kaseng NPP kadai ke bayok kurbun vote tam haka election MLA ke baladam.
Pentip syaki hadin Meghalaya yang ka approval na ka party high command na honorable president jong ka National People's Party ngakwa ban pentip api ba ngakwa ban penah kan ngapor ya ki candidate MP jungi na kabentakan ka election MP ka Bansalong hawa araja aku sa kabanengkong na kasilong parliamentary constituency ka party kalaray man penieng ya i Dr. Amprin Lengdong i balong i MLA badru i minister nanta na po tura parliamentary constituency ngilaray ban penieng biang ya i Mrs. Agatha Sama i badai i sitting MP jong ka party ke jong na kadang nasumbaban tim syapi kanan ba ki ba jong kini ki atli versus siru kin tip ya kini ki official candidate ki jong. We are the highest as far as Shillong parliamentary constituency is concerned. Leave aside Tura. Tura is not only highest. I think we even cross 50%. It's about maybe 50%. So this side we are still the highest. And I am very sure once we work harder, we'll be able to even become victorious in this coming election. We have done our detailed examination. We have collected all the details, information, the inputs, not only up to the district level, but even up to the village level. We have done that, and ultimately, because see, in the election, it doesn't mean that you put up male or female. For us, the priority is winnability. So we need to get the best candidate who has every possibility of winning. So therefore, on the basis of that, both these two candidates, we have decided to field them. And let me just again remind you, if you go back to the vote percentage of 2023 general election, you will see that still NPP secured the highest vote share. If you don't believe me, please go to the report. Then second, it was UDP. I'm talking about the Shillong parliamentary constituency. Then the third one was Congress. So we are still the highest. So therefore, now from the party side, we will work hard, wholeheartedly, and especially I've already instructed all the newly appointed office bearers to go down up to the village level, not only up to the district level or up to polling booth level. We will reach out up to the village level.